can you be arrested because of a debt that you owe? Can you be arrested because of a debt that you owe? Can a debt collector or an original creditor have you arrested because of a debt that you owe? Well, here's the answer to that. No, you cannot be arrested for the debt that you owe, but you can be arrested for not coming in to answer how you're going to pay the debt that you owe. They could put a warrant on your body. I would like to say thank you to one of the YouTube subscribers who graciously gave us this document, because I've seen them before, but this is one that is recent, and it shows proof that you can be arrested because of a debt that you owe. So what they do is they ask you to come in for a debt examination. If you ever receive a letter asking you to come in for a debt examination, you better make sure that you show up, because this is what can happen. So everything is blacked out because we don't want to reveal who this is. But here's the bottom line. It says here, bond set at $5,000. From what I've seen in the past, they set the bond for somewhere around what the person owes, and plus the court costs, plus the attorney fees and any other fees and interest that they wanted to place with the bond. That amount of money with this bond would go towards paying the debt and the courts. So you can see right here, this is straight proof. The straight proof. If you were to read this information here, it says that this individual has to show up at this time on this date. And if they do not show up, a warrant for their arrest will be issued, and there's going to be a bond set for $5,000.